How to convert friends to followers on Facebook. So if you want to convert your friends to your followers on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application and then go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon, and make sure that you're under your Facebook account. So switch to your Facebook account. Once you're on your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the top right again, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on your profile. Once you're on your profile, now you need to go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon, and tap on turn on professional mode. If you don't have the professional mode right here, then you just need to simply go back and then go with settings, which is on the top right, and scroll all the way down. You will find an option of professional mode, or you can just simply go with search settings and search for professional option, and you will get the professional mode option. You just need to simply turn on your professional mode. And once you turn on your professional mode, then you will convert your friends to your followers. So here, as you can see, that I've already turned on my professional mode on my other account. And if you just go back, then you can see that my all of the friends have been turned into followers. And once you turn on your professional mode, you will have your professional dashboard and everything. So that's how you can convert your friends to your followers on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.